Hola estudiantes, en este video tú vas a poder practicar tus preguntas comunes oralmente. Hello students, in this video you will be able to practice your common questions orally. I'm going to ask you how you ask permission to go to the bathroom and then you will say the question orally. Let's start. Vamos a comenzar. Número 1. How do you ask permission to go to the bathroom? How do you ask permission to drink water? How do you ask permission to go to the office? How do you ask permission to go to the nurse? How do you ask permission to close the door? How do you ask permission to open the door? How do you ask for a pen? Basically, ask me for a pen. Ask your friend for a piece of paper. Remember, there are two different ways when you ask to your friend and when you ask to your teacher or to an adult. Ask me for a piece of paper. Excelente. Now, the next question is, you don't know how do you say bottle water in Spanish. How do you ask that? You don't know how do you say glasses in Spanish. How do you ask? You don't know how do you say pen in Spanish. How do you ask that? Excelente. Now you're going to practice how you answer that question. So I'm going to ask you the question and then you're going to say the answer. This is example. José, ¿cómo se dice pen? ¿Cómo se dice pluma en inglés? And then you say, se dice pen. Okay, let's start. ¿Cómo se dice lentes en español, en inglés? ¿Cómo se dice papel en inglés? ¿Cómo se dice botella de agua en inglés? Excelente. Remember, you can watch this video many times as you need to practice. Be prepared to have a quiz when you return to the school. Hasta luego.